Hi friends, so today we have this Tizom HDMI cable. This I brought it from Amazon. I'll give a link down in the description. This is 10 meters and it came in a normal Amazon packing and there was nothing seal or anything. The funny part over here is it just mentions country of origin as Hong Kong. However, if you see the QR code, it says that made in RPRC, People's Republic of China. So I don't know how they are fooding or how these things work. So basically, cable came in this plastic Ziploc bag. It just like this, and it's quite flexible, smooth kind of a feeling. It does mention Tizen. This is the same as they had listed on the website, so there is no difference in the image and the actual product. So the connectors are at least golden in color. It seemed to be pretty properly built, and at around 700 rupees this is not a bad deal. So that's it friends. If you have any questions, queries, please drop them and I'll be glad to reply. Thanks. Bye.